In today's episode, we're going to be covering one of the most important and frankly dangerous ideas that is involved in quantum computing, and that is Shor's algorithm. By the end of this video, in 2 minutes, you're going to know what it is, who created it, and why it impacts and threatens the cryptography that is underlying all the major blockchain projects today, from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Let's dive into today's episode. So first off, what is Shor's algorithm? Shor's algorithm is a quantum computing algorithm that was discovered in 1994 by mathematician Peter Shor. And the purpose is simple, and it's to factor very large numbers exponentially faster than any classical computer. And that matters because factoring large numbers is the math that is underlying most modern cryptography. So how does Shor's algorithm break this classical cryptography per se? Our entire digital world, from your bank login details to blockchain private keys, is all built on cryptographic systems like RSA and elliptical curve cryptography. All of these systems rely on the assumption that factoring or discrete logarithm problems take classical computers thousands to millions of years. Shor's algorithm changes this entirely. On a sufficiently powerful quantum computer, that math can be solved in hours, minutes, or even seconds. So it's this blend of when you take Shor's algorithm and you run it on a cryptographically relevant quantum computer, that's where the magic happens. What this means is that private keys can be derived from public keys, encrypted data can be decrypted, wallets can be drained. Once cryptographically relevant quantum computers arrive, Shor's algorithm gives attackers a direct path to directly derive those private keys from those exposed public keys that we just talked about. And this is at the core of the quantum threat to blockchain, and one of the very core reasons of why we built QRL, the quantum resistant ledger. Instead of relying on classical cryptography that Shor's algorithm is going to be able to break, our underlying cryptography is secure against the quantum threat by being post-quantum since the very first block. QRL is built from the ground up and is built intentionally to secure against this class of quantum attacks. And we've been secure against quantum computing threat since our very first block in 2018. It laid the foundation for what our project is about to this day. So if you want to see how post-quantum wallets, signatures, transactions work, visit theqrl.org or watch some of our other videos on our QRL YouTube channel here to get a sense for what the quantum threat is all about in relation to the blockchain space that we're in. Until the next video, make sure to keep those digital assets post-quantum secure.